am moving from this house.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight.
Unpacking.
It's all that I do.
Hi you guys, good morning. Let me bring my phone so I'll show you guys the time. I feel like I do that a lot these days. 1:30, yeah, 1:30 p.m. on Thursday, May 28th, and it's my packing day. I am moving from this house. Anyways, let's do an intro. Hello lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Miso Masala Eze, by being called Miso. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, all those good stuff. Please support me. So if you guys know, this place I'm staying is a Corpus Lodge, and I was a core member until 2 months ago, until the 31st of March. I was a core member, and because this is a Corpus Lodge, I thought when I'm done, I would have to go back home. But that didn't happen because I got retained at my PPA. If you have been watching my vlog, if you have been keeping up, you know. But yeah, because I have been retained, I have to look for an alternate accommodation here in Ibadan. And I don't really know people here in Ibadan. So I have been out hunting for the past 3 weeks. I actually just went to see one apartment.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight.
I request for videos, and except the house meets my criteria before I go and see it. And what I've been seeing so far is ridiculous. Is it that the price is way too ridiculous, or the house itself is just in shambles and they are trying to rent it out to people? I don't know what's wrong with Nigerians, but I've not seen anything so far. I am packing and I've not paid for any space, but I shall know I have to move on Sunday. That's 31st of May because my rent is expiring this May. I have to move either on Sunday or on Monday, and I've not paid for anything. Crazy. Yeah, crazy. And I've been dealing with my anxiety for the past how many days, because my anxiety is getting the better part of me, but I'm trying not to let it do that. So I just need to pack. So even if they want to throw my stuff outside, so not throw it like everywhere, because I don't even know what I'm doing. Well, yeah, we have to pack, and that's why I put on the camera, so we'll pack together. I don't even think I'll show you guys everything because I think I'm about to turn my room upside down because I'm packing. But yeah, let's pack. House hunting is really the ghetto. If you have a house, better stay in your house. Don't try to house hunt. There is no better house out there. Nobody is mad. Even if there's a better house out there, it costs an arm, a leg, your kidney, even your head. Like, in fact, your head is not even just enough for them. It costs your whole body. I don't even know. But yeah, let's pack. I would really miss this house though. Maybe the day I have to like move my stuff and everything, I'll do a whole video because I really miss this house. I enjoyed my service here, the friends I made, the people I talked to, the memories. I would really miss this house. But yeah, the era has come to an end. It's time to move on to the next chapter of my life that doesn't involve me being in this space. Yeah. I don't even know if the camera is capturing me, but yeah, this is my school bag. And the next thing I'm packing is my Ecola. This box I've not made an appearance in months, and it's so dusty. But yeah, we'll have to use it to pack. And I think there's another bag beside my Ecola. Yeah, another bag. I don't even know if the camera is capturing me. I wish I have a gimbal or some sort to like track my movements, but no, I don't. So yeah, my box, a bag. Yeah. Now what else is here? Okay, some of my cleaning supplies. because we have to pack. Okay, done with that part. So next thing is how to start bringing out my kids. Oh god, I'm going to I hate packing, you guys. I hate packing. So yeah, time to put together my kids. Oh god, I don't think I can do the entire packing on camera because I will feel so disorganized. But yeah, let's turn this over. So yeah, this is my wardrobe. I have to pack this, and this, and then this is my food stuff. I have to put them together too. Then my bags, then my bookshelf. I also need to get a carpenter to take down the shelf because I put it there myself. So I have to pack the bookshelf and my books. And then the last thing I have to pack is my footwear situation. I need to pack this and then dismantle the shelf. Is that a shelf? I don't know what it is, but I have to pack. I don't know what that is, but I have to dismantle the shoe rack. Shoe rack. And yeah, I think that's everything. That's everything I have to pack. I'm re-recording this video because I've recorded it 2 times, and the first time the camera was not on. The second time my mic was dead. So now I'm not wearing a mic, but I'm screaming so I'll be audible. And I'm so stressed out already because I'm already stressed from packing and I hate packing. And my camera, the recording is stressing me out. Who says vlogging is easy? Whoa, I beg. So I'll show you guys this bag, like the bags I have to pack with. And I'll say that you guys should like forgive this one because it's dusty. But that was because it was used to waving stuff for me from Enugu. So yeah, the bus and everything made it dusty, and I was complaining about how I just want to put my stuff together even though I don't have any plan in place of where to move to, and I'm super stressed about that because I'm a planner person, and when I don't have plans in place, my brain stresses me out, so my anxiety level is like through the roof right now. But I still have to put my stuff together, and I just wanted to show you guys and capture that on camera. So maybe in 5 years time, when I've already made it and have my own home and everything, I'll be like, yeah, 5 years ago I was stressing about a house, but now I own a home. No, I'm rapping or whatever. So I might be living outside for the next couple of weeks, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. And forgive the noise from outside because my house is by the road and the noises, because I'm not wearing a bike. So forgive me, and let's pack. No, I will pack and I would update you guys later. Hopefully I don't get to live on the road, but whatever happens, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep you updated. Hi you guys, I'm done packing and I'm leaving now, and I just wanted to make this final video in this house because this was where I spent my last 1 year. I've grown in this house, I've done multiple things here, and I'll miss this place when I leave. Like, I miss this place. But yeah, time for growth, I guess. I'll miss this place, you guys. I'll miss this place. Let me show you guys.
Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone.
Hi you guys, so I am here in the next place I'm going to stay for the next 6 months. Yeah, it's not a permanent place, so I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. Yeah, but I'm going to like hold my phone while doing that because I don't have anywhere to set it up for now. So let's do that, shall we? Once you come in this way, close the door. The first thing you see is this. I have to get a mattress, then the wardrobe. The wardrobe is already open, so I don't have to show you guys. But I think I have to like add some stuff to cover it up. Then there is this chair, this bedside stuff, this table, and then the restroom. I brought this myself. It has a tub, which obviously is not usable, and then so that's all. The place is not really that much. So yeah, it's mine for now. So we're going to bring the next one. Hi YouTube. So we are done arranging my room. Yeah, so first of all, I tried to like put this here for my bedside table. I really should have known. Be with anyway till we hit a red light. And I just got this mattress. I could not bring you guys along for my mattress shopping because it was crazy. But yeah, I think I'll add some paintings to the wall or some this thing. So next thing is my wardrobe. Let me show you guys. It's still in disarray. So forgive everything else. But yeah, this is my wardrobe. And then my shoe rack, I tried to place it here. This is my shoe rack and my shoe situation. Nothing fancy. And I added some affirmations to the wall. So yeah, moving on. The next thing is my bag situation. I think I'll still have to fix this, but for now, this is where it is. And then over here is my water situation. You guys, there's no water in this house, so I have a big distance for water. And then here is kind of a kitchen situation because there is no specific place for that. So I'm kind of keeping this here, even though I've not cooked yet. So maybe when I want to cook, I'll figure it out. And lastly is my bedroom. I showed you guys, I didn't really do anything. Just wanted to give you guys a room tour. I'll still put some things in place, but for now, this is what we are working with. And yeah, my wig, I've not even finished arranging, but I'll keep you guys updated as we go on. Okay, love you guys.
You see all these sexy girls in the club. Oh, girl, I wanna order you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life. I swear.